guys? My name's Frosty, aka Brendan, and I just want to welcome you guys to the channel. If you guys don't already know me from Instagram and you're here from YouTube, then welcome. I'm going to be posting a lot more car content and photography content on this channel from here on out. Today we're going to be going to Capital Raceway. It's just a basic kind of like drifting, sliding, drag racing, a whole bunch of stuff. I have my GoPro with me. I'm going to be trying to do a lot of POV content, and we're just going to try to make it work. So I'm going to go pick up Dev, and then we're going to head to the track, and I'll probably see you guys in the truck. I'm going to set up my GoPro in the truck, try to see how it works. It's an old GoPro, so it's probably not going to work out too well, but we're going to make it work. I'll see you guys out there. If you guys don't already follow me on Instagram, you're here from YouTube, go follow me on Instagram, Flicksbyfrosty, and definitely hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna be posting a lot more soon, a lot of educational content alongside vlogs and just, you know, car meets and any photo shoots I go to. I want to record for you guys and just have a little bit more like personal connection with, you know, my following. I've always wanted to restart my YouTube channel. I guess now is the time.
Go to the liquor store.
Huh?
The liquor store?
Yeah.
Why are we going to the liquor store?
Because I need twisted teeth.
Bro, I recorded one clip on the GoPro and it's already down to 60% battery. Them batteries are old as shit, bro. I'm trying to tell you.
Did you get more?
I got 3 batteries, but
You're so cooked.
I'm so cooked, bro. We're going to the liquor store, stupid. All right, so we just made a little pit stop at the liquor store real quick because Dev wanted to get a fucking twisted tea like usual. Dev always be drinking them twisted teas, bro. If he come out here with 2 or more, it's cooked. Whole meat's done. Vlog's gonna be fun though, but the whole meat's done. I'm gonna just record him tweaking the whole time. How many did you buy? How many did you buy? How many did you buy?
All 4.
I told y'all, bro, if he came out with 2 or more, the meat's cooked.
He fried filming cars.
Bro, we thought we was gonna be first 10. There's people with trailer drift cars here already and some more shit. Wait, do we really gotta wait here until 5 o'clock? Yo, we really gotta sit here for 30 minutes. Their dead ass not gonna open it.
What sticker do you want? I'm gonna stab it on.
I want your sticker.
What? Yeah.
It's like, nah.
Yo, somebody just said Dev fine as shit. Are they lying or what?
Wait.
They don't love me.
You know, we fresh out of work. You know, we outside at Cat
Car
today.
fresh out the wash.
I know. Car fresh, boots fresh, your bitch is fresh. All red.
Why do y'all have cowboy boots?
Do it.
Yeah, Nami.
What?
We don't talk like that around here.
Finally made it to Capital, bro. Everybody waiting in line till 5 o'clock. I guess we're definitely not gonna be the first to. What, yo?
Don't hit that shit, yo. That bitch been through the mud. I'm not gonna lie.
No. The most so wait. Fuck. Damn.
This nigga. Moonshine jars back that bitch.
I wish, yo. Some apples.
Nah, I see the Mason jar. You ain't got a lot.
No. That's the jar I broke when I had weed in it. I stole it from my job.
Oh, damn.
You mean the job you used to have? It's too cold out here, bro. Tell Terrace to hook us up. Let us get in front.
Hit the T, bro.
Oh, shotgun this bitch.
No, you won't.
I'm gonna die.
Yeah, like you threw up the other night at Fort.
Terrace,
Look at him, he's a fiend.
Oh, I'm the junkie. Huh?
How am I a junkie?
Can you borrow this? Can I borrow this?
You borrow what?
I need this for the striker.
What is it? My license plate?
Yeah.
No, you ain't taking my fucking license plate for them.
Wait, that's your
strikes.
actual license?
No, he looked like he built to go down there. Look at him in his little. No, yo, that's crazy.
The world ain't loaded in yet, yo. It's just a drop, yo. You know what I mean?
Yo, what is happening?
Bro, this line is finally fucking moving.
Should I ask the cop if I ever drunk and drove before?
No, it's 5:20. We waited an extra 20 minutes just to start heading into this bitch.
Literally, bro.
And most of these people going over there to the drag strip, bro. I probably only see like 3 or 4 people going up there to slide or drift. What the fuck is that, yo? What the fuck is that, yo?
Let me hold your breath.
All right, thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Hey,
I liked how close you were to me just now.
I like how close you was just to me. Oh, it's a cop, don't speak. It's too cold.
It's not even that cold.
How cold is it?
Bro, look at this setup I got going on. Little lavalier mic setup, you know what I'm saying? We're finally sort of getting started. Somebody drifted already. This was such a last minute setup, like I'm not gonna lie. The first person POV of me eating a quesadilla until I knock this bitch over and cry about it. Oh my lord, bro, fuck a Wawa quesadilla, this shit banging. Finally made it out onto the track, kind of over here at Tree Turn right now. There's a Z about to come now. Mr. Bankroll Nick himself. Bro came out Tree Turn doing a 360, hot as shit. Oh my lord. I guess today at Capital is just gonna be dry as shit. We should have chose a bigger event to vlog at, I guess. I don't even know how I'm gonna turn this into a vlog.
Get him out of here.
How is it my fault? How is it my fault? It's not my fault, bro. I need to get some pics. Hold up. Let me. It's fat. Quick draw. Yeah, so his car went. Oh, you're fucking geeking, bro. You're tweaking. Yo, Kev's face was. He's. Do Tree Turn. Why are you always in the fucking way, yo? You're standing in the best spot doing nothing.
You wanna know the sad thing?
Get out the way.
None of my pictures came in focus.
I bet they didn't because you suck. It's cool because there's a lot more events coming up this year that will have hella heads out and that I could really get a good vlog for y'all. But this is just going to kind of, you know, little video, test the waters, see what's going on. You know, first video on the YouTube channel. So we're going to start there. And I mean, we'll see what happens. I'm going to stay here as long as I can. But if it gets too boring, I'm definitely going to head out. Probably edit this, get some pictures or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out.
You got it next time. We outside you with.
Said you're doing what with Kev's phone?
I'm taking it home with me.
Why are you taking it?
Because I'm dead.
Brick by brick. Bit by brick. Brick by brick. I'm gonna do this shit again. I swear that was totally legit.
My fellow white friends.
Yo, your brakes sound great.
My fellow white
They
friends.
sound like, your brakes sound like my truck.
I'd never be a takeover kid.
I'm snitching on all y'all if I go to jail.
Huh?
What?
He's redneck. How are
Why
y'all
am I
cousins?
catching
You redneck
strays
white,
right now?
and he's Baltimore black.
Why am I catching
white.
strays?
Because look at the way he dresses. He has
You
a...
wear the same fucking pants and outfit every day.
No, wrong.
Yo,
No, wrong.
Dan
Wrong.
literally-
Wrong.
Dan literally
Wrong.
told this man he got his shoes
Wrong.
over the power line.
I most definitely did. Alright, wrong. Look. You're only catching us on the same fit because why the fuck am I gonna change into a fucking nice ass fit?
What?
What you been saying, bro?
Why am I gonna change into a nice ass
You
fit?
gotta take that nick away from
No, he drank tweets.
Nah, for real.
He drunk.
I'm not gonna lie, that is fucking nasty as a bitch.
Punch out his grippers.
That's for all the shared dick he be asking for.
All that shit, Nick, is not good for you, bro. Stop it. Get help.
I'm here with.
Flicksbyfrosty.
All right, man. I need you to tell me a little bit more about your outfit, man. Your
My outfit?
I like it. You know,
Alright.
you got the redneck
Okay.
starter pack.
Not right now.
I see the back to blue.
I do got no.
Back to blue.
I got some. Hold up, chill, nah,
See the back to blue hat.
chill, nah.
You said you scared him? Yeah. How'd you scare him?
Getting close to the wall.
Oh, fuck it.
360. That shit felt crazy.
What you doing, Frosty?
Tabbing that.
What?
That's a wild figure.
Yo, y'all hear that bitch?
He told me keep my seatbelt off.
Do I have the green light?
I'm gonna try something here.
Okay. Are you gonna try tree turn with me in here or what?
I'm gonna try.
Okay. Don't.
Find your seat, yo! Okay, no second turn. No second gear. No second gear. No second gear.
You gonna tell me keep my seatbelt off, bro?
I'm trying to do that turn. I'm trying to do that turn, I'm not gonna lie, bro.
Yo,
That shit sounds like I'm on wires. I gotta drive home like this, bro.
You don't have tires?
No.
Yo,
Nigga, my wheel studs are. Oh my god.
Oh my fucking god.
Yo, I think I'm walking home tonight, bro. Oh shit. Absolutely full send the fuck out of this car.
Nah, tree turn was
Holy
sketchy as shit, yo. I started eating.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. My foot got stuck on the pedal, so I couldn't tell which one was clutch or which one was brake.
Oh my god.
Hey, we did it though. We did it. You see YouTube? This how you slide. This how you slide for sliding school for dummies. I should write a book.
Oh, don't look at me like that.
You fucking like that shit!
Yo, what the fuck is this, bro? Yo handed me the most crumpled up drug dealer $5 bill I've ever seen, bro. You just had this bitch in the back of your pocket. Why you really look like that for real?